93 people have died as a result of the fires on Maui in Hawaii. One of the most far-fetched theories is that they were caused by a space laser aimed at Maui. Another picture showing a large explosion at night in a non-specific location has also gone viral. There is no evidence to suggest that the Maui fires were caused by the US or Chinese governments. Engineers have created a new way to harvest electricity using electrically conductive foam. The triboelectric nanogenerators, TENGs, were created to miniaturize electronics. The 3DG TENGs could be used to manage energy usage in smart buildings. The doorway sensor generated 10.37 watts per square meter. North Korean leader Kim Jong Un has called for production of missiles and artillery shells to ramp up. Kim gave the order as he visited key munitions factories. His field inspection was the latest in a string of visits to arms factories.